I am revisiting the York commercial units at my daycare. And soon they're going to do some renovations. They're going to put a second floor to the church. And one of them is running over here. So we're going to see how old these are. That one's running. That one's incredibly loud. I don't think, yeah. And here they are. Hopefully these don't start up on me. I'm gonna find the data. Alright. Don't know. Data is very faded. Faded. Hold on. That one still got its data. Okay. 2014. Actually, that's an 01. I don't think unit disruption is 2014. Yeah, that's in 2001. Now we're gonna look at the floor fan to York. That one seems fairly new. York has a different reading design. They have a different code. In 2009. And that's 2009 right here. And then, let's go. And then we have the Lennox again. That is from 2017. This is rather new. And they trim, and also they have a change. And there's the old 1989 Rheem again. They trimmed away the bushes. Now I have more access to the air conditioners. Yeah. December 1989. And that is, the lines are still connected. I don't know why they don't use this thing much anymore. Yeah, it's really rusty out there. And the compressor. I'm sure this is going to be replaced. I mean, this could be dead. The Rheem Classic S. Super high efficiency. I mean, I subscribe to a YouTuber who likes these units a lot because they have the special stamped octagon design. And there's the Lennox. That is a, come on, okay. This is obviously a 10 seer. Yeah, these are the air conditioners at my daycare. Revisited out. This has been a Tan Fan production.